The U.S. Supreme Court has issued a significant ruling impacting federal employees who also serve in the military reserves. In a 5-4 decision, the court affirmed the right of these individuals to receive differential pay when called to active duty during nationally declared emergencies. This ruling provides crucial financial protection for reservists, who often face a pay cut when fulfilling their military obligations. The decision has been met with both praise and concern, sparking a debate about the intended scope of differential pay and its implications for national security and government budgets. This ruling is a victory for the hundreds of thousands of Americans who dedicate themselves to both civilian government service and military readiness. It ensures that these individuals are not financially penalized for answering the call to duty in times of national need. The court's decision emphasizes the importance of supporting the men and women who contribute to the nation's security and well-being through their dual roles. Differential pay is a critical mechanism designed to support reservists who often face financial challenges when transitioning from their civilian jobs to active military service. When called upon to serve, reservists often leave behind higher-paying civilian positions to fulfill their military obligations. This can create significant financial strain, especially for those with families and financial responsibilities. Differential pay helps to bridge the gap between their military and civilian salaries, ensuring that they are not financially disadvantaged while serving their country. The concept of differential pay recognizes the sacrifices made by reservists and aims to alleviate the financial burdens associated with their service. It acknowledges that serving in the military reserves often requires individuals to put their civilian careers on hold, potentially impacting their long-term earning potential. By providing differential pay, the government aims to create a fairer system that supports and encourages citizen soldiers. The Supreme Court's decision stems from a case involving an air traffic controller who also served in the Coast Guard Reserves. This individual was called to active duty for 5 years, during which he received significantly lower pay than his civilian salary. He argued that he was entitled to differential pay to cover the difference, as his active duty service occurred during a period of national emergency. This case highlighted the real-life financial challenges faced by many reservists who are required to make significant financial sacrifices when called to serve. The air traffic controller's situation resonated with many reservists across the country who have faced similar circumstances. His case brought to light the complexities of balancing civilian employment with military service, particularly in times of national crisis. The Supreme Court's decision to hear this case signaled the significance of the issue and its impact on a substantial segment of the American workforce. The crux of the legal debate centered around the interpretation of a 2009 law regarding differential pay for federal employees serving in the reserves. The majority opinion, penned by Justice Roberts, argued that the law should be interpreted broadly to encompass any reservist called to active duty during a national emergency, regardless of the specific nature of their service. They reasoned that any form of military service during such times contributes to national defense and therefore warrants differential pay. This interpretation aims to provide comprehensive coverage and support for reservists during times of national need. However, the dissenting justices, led by Justice Thomas, expressed concerns about the potential for an overly broad interpretation of the law. They argued that extending differential pay to all reservists activated during a national emergency, regardless of the connection between their service and the emergency, could have unintended consequences. Their concerns highlight the challenges of balancing support for reservists with fiscal responsibility, and ensuring that differential pay is utilized in a manner consistent with its intended purpose.
Hey, we all want to scale our business. Hey, I have the answer for you today to help you do that. If you're looking to scale from 5, 6, even 7 figures and beyond, book called Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone. I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is type in growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash, and you can download the book for absolutely free. I hope the book helps you this year. Take your business to the next level. Again, go grab the book, growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash. I wish you the best and grow, scale, and win.
Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.